I know that young people think they're invincible and rich people think they're invincible, and you have always been both, so take it from someone who hasn't. You're not. You will get hurt. So please, don't go out looking for it.
Come on! You're Hawkeye!
Completely obsessed with Clint Barton ever since the attack.
Look, I know that tonight didn't go as planned, but I chose to be here. I understand the risk. I understand all of that.
I'm not gonna do it. Do you hear me? Go home, Kate. It's over.
Listen, I know you said it's over, but it's not. Not for me.
When I was younger, aliens invaded, and I was terrified. But then I saw you. You showed me that being a hero isn't just for people who can fly or shoot lasers out of their hands. It's for anyone who's brave enough to do what's right no matter the cost.
Hey, do not go out there. It's too dangerous. You're the reason it's dangerous out there, Mom.
I know tonight was a lot. You took on Kingpin all by yourself. Not many people walk away from something like that.
Is this what heroes do? Arrest their mothers on Christmas?